When was the last time you said no to someone and then felt guilty afterwards? Or maybe we should ask, when was the last time you wanted to say no, but you felt guilty, and so you said yes? The question is, do you at times feel that you struggle with the word no because of feeling guilty? Well, the truth is many people do. But would you like to reduce that feeling of guilt that you have when saying no, and maybe even at times eliminate it altogether? If so, I'd like to invite you to a workshop I'll be hosting Tuesday, August 6th at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Zoom. The workshop is entitled How to Confidently Say No Without Feeling Guilty. If you would like to attend, click on the registration page. The workshop is only 60 minutes. And if you don't want to attend, that's fine. Don't feel any stress or guilt about telling me no.